This expansive and contemporary home is ideally located in a highly desirable Cooper Mountain neighborhood. It's close to great schools, nature parks, walking trails, shopping, and Progress Ridge. Situated on a large lot with a fenced and terraced backyard, it's ready for your garden. Heading inside, discover a bright, inviting interior with a cozy fireplace and flooded with an abundance of natural light. The stylish gourmet kitchen features a central cooktop island, high-end stainless steel appliances, exquisite granite countertops, a pantry, and plenty of cabinet space. Entertain in the formal dining room or the living room with soaring ceilings. You'll also find a main-level bedroom and a full bath here on the main level in this home of nearly 3,600 square feet. Upstairs, the primary bedroom with vaulted ceilings features a generously sized layout. Relax in the spa-like bath with a dual-sink vanity, luxurious jetted tub, separate shower, and a walk-in closet. This level includes 2 more large bedrooms. And another full bath with ample walk-in storage. Downstairs, the versatile finished basement provides endless possibilities and includes additional storage. 3 attached garage spaces are exceptionally deep, catering to all of your parking needs. Unwind or entertain friends and family on the expansive private deck. The thoughtfully designed terrace backyard is a haven for gardening enthusiasts, offering unlimited options and opportunities. A lovely, well-maintained home in a prime location in sought-after Cooper Mountain. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Behzad Javaher with Premier Property Group.